trying to choose between Shapr3D and Fusion 360? Here's the real difference. One is built to help you design fast, the other is built to engineer complete products. Shapr3D is focused on simplicity and speed. It's a 3D modeling tool designed to work smoothly on iPad, Mac, and Windows, especially with Touch and Apple Pencil. In real workflows, people use it for quick product design, concept modeling, and 3D printing ideas. It has a free version with limited features, and paid plans start around $25 per month, which unlocks full export options and advanced tools. That makes it very easy to start, and beginners can begin creating designs and even selling models or freelance work fairly quickly. But it does have a downside. It lacks deep engineering tools like simulation and manufacturing, so as your projects get more complex, you may hit limits. Fusion 360 is a full engineering platform. It combines CAD, CAM, and simulation in one system, which means you can design, test, and even prepare products for manufacturing in one place. In real workflows, engineers and product teams use it to build real-world products from idea to production. It has a free personal use version with limitations, and paid plans start around $85 per month. That higher cost brings serious value if you're doing professional work, and many users earn from it through engineering, product design, or manufacturing projects. But I found some downside. It has a steep learning curve and can take weeks or even months to fully understand, especially for beginners. So in practice, Shapr3D is best if you want fast, intuitive modeling and a quick start. Fusion 360 is better if you need full engineering power, simulations, and manufacturing tools. They do compete, but here's the real difference. Shapr3D gives you ease of use and speed for designing ideas, while Fusion 360 gives you full engineering capability to turn those ideas into real products. If this helped you understand the difference, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple breakdowns, and tell me, are you designing fast or building for production?